Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up your feet, back on the tail, front near the bolts. This gives control. Pop the tail deliberately and lift the nose with your knees. You must compress then extend. Once done, slide your front foot diagonally toward the nose to initiate the Fakie Bigspin rotation while the board begins a shove it. Keep shoulders turning with the board and make sure to keep your eyes on the landing to time the catch. As you reach midair, focus on guiding the board. Your front foot flicks slightly to ensure a full 180 degrees rotation, while the back foot scoops the shove it. You should keep your shoulders rotating in the same rhythm because your upper body drives the board's spin. This is why coordination matters. Make sure to bend your knees and ready your feet to catch. Timing is everything, so track the bolts and prepare to clamp down as the deck. For the landing, spot the bolts and aim to land with weight squarely over them. That makes for a stable touchdown. Absorb the impact by bending your knees and keeping your shoulders aligned with the board to prevent twisting. If the spin is behind or the board lags, make sure to commit next time and, if needed, bail forward safely to avoid ankle rolls. Roll onto your leading foot and step off rather than fighting a bad catch. It protects you and the board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.